Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to buy Connect's balance in Upwork. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface of Upwork once you're logged in. And right now, let's simply try to buy some Connect's balance. At the top right, here's your profile picture, simply click on it. And then something like this will open up. Well, right here, as we do want to buy Connect's, here's a button that says Connect's as well. Simply click on it. Currently, you can see that my balance per Connect's is 0 and we want to buy them. Here's a button like this that says buy Connect's. Just click on it. And as you can see, here's something like select the amount to buy. There's a drop down button like this. Simply click on it and select the Connect's of your choice. Do note that you can add a promo code as well. But right now, let's simply click on buy Connect's right here. At the very end, it's gonna ask you to add a billing method. Or in case you have added one, it's gonna ask you to select one, either the payment card or PayPal. The choice is up to you. Once everything's filled out, that's your billing method, what you need to do is click on this Buy Connect's button right about here. And then you will buy about 300 Connect's as per this video. And guys, that's about it. That's how you buy Connect's in Upwork. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. The support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.